Why are you so loud? So I brought Ellie with me to the trailer to spend the night here with me so I don't have to be here alone. Obviously I'm gonna go back and spend some time at my mom's house and I'll bring her back first thing tomorrow, but this is her first time staying here. But she loves being outside and I think she'll be out of sorts in the trailer for a little while, but I'm so happy she's here with me. Let's go for a little walk and then we'll unpack and set up for the night, huh? Come here. Come here. Look, up at the camera. Oh, there you go, baby. Do you like it here? Do you like it here? All right, I need to unload everything out of my car into the trailer. I went and got some groceries. The trailer is all cleaned up now. And we're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night and get some rest. It's so nice. I'm already struggling to just relax and like be by myself. First of all, there was a tick on Ellie's head and then I tried to like brush it off and then it like jumped on my hand and then I literally panicked. I hate ticks. It makes me so nervous. And then I like stripped down all of my clothes from outside, checked my entire body quickly for ticks, and threw my clothes on the ground and then got changed. But, I can't keep taking Ellie out in the fields around here because she'll get more. Here's the dead tick that I squished. See it? And now I'm just here by myself in this trailer. I really wanted to be in the trailer, just have my own space for a little bit and make my own food and watch movies and walk around outside. And then visit with my family at the same time while I'm here, but it's just that initial like weird vibe. Oh. Yeah, and Ellie doesn't like it here. If I find one more frickin' tick, I swear to God, I think you want to go home. She's like, why the frick are we here right now? She doesn't know if she likes the trailer, but hopefully she falls asleep. Just go to sleep, Ellie, and stay here with me. It's raining out. It's a very rainy day, which it was kind of nice waking up to that in the trailer this morning, but it was very cold. I could see my breath in the trailer this morning, and I had like 3 sweaters on. I hope everybody is doing okay during these tough times. Just thinking about how we're in a lockdown for the 3rd time. It sucks so much. I'm very lucky to be out here just having some time to collect myself. I really needed this. I think it's really important for everyone to make sure that they find that balance. I think it's super important to be very safe and protect yourself and everybody around you, and make sure you're just being really careful and that everyone's gonna move forward being healthy, but also making sure that you're taking care of yourself. So it's super important to see people that you love and care about, or at least keep in touch with them. Yeah, I don't have a huge bubble, but I need to be able to see some of my family in order to stay sane. So that's all I wanted to say. I hope everyone's okay. We will get through. I'm such a mess right now. I'm back at the trailer. I spent most of the day with my mom and with everybody at the house. Just gonna enjoy the weather while it lasts and sit outside and have a fire tonight. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Literally though, my back! Okay, now we have to wheel it. Wait. Got a bit of a flat tire here. And you know, just some bags of concrete that we're chilling in Erica's van. I'm gonna push this hole. Tires better hold up. This was when we redid the shed, we put the cement foundation down, and these bags got wet.
Looks like crap now.
Yeah. There we go. Muscle! I didn't do anything.
I can't believe the two of you can't move that.
Come on!